HP printer setup tutorial. Wireless and USB setup Windows 11, Windows 10. Before you start, important. Turn on the printer, remove all packaging and tapes, install ink/toner cartridges, load paper in the tray, keep Wi-Fi name and password ready for wireless setup. Method 1. HP printer USB setup wired. Step 1. Download HP software. 1. Open browser. 2. Go to https://support.hp.com. 3. Click Software and Drivers. 4. Enter your HP printer model. 5. Select Windows 11 or Windows 10. 6. Download HP Easy Start full feature software. Step 2. Install software. 1. Open downloaded file. 2. Click Yes when permission appears. 3. Choose Install automatically. 4. Select USB connection. Step 3. Connect USB cable. Do not connect USB early. 1. When installer asks, connect USB cable. 2. Windows will detect printer automatically. 3. Wait until installation completes. Step 4. Finish setup. Click Finish Print a test page, USB setup complete. Method 2. HP printer wireless Wi-Fi setup. Step 1. Reset printer network, very important. For printers with touchscreen, 1. Go to Setup Settings. 2. Select Network Setup. 3. Choose Restore Network Settings. 4. Confirm reset. For printers with touchscreen, 1. Turn printer on. 2. Press and hold Cancel X plus wireless button. 3. Hold for 5 seconds. 4. Blue light will blink, ready for Wi-Fi setup. Step 2. Install HP Easy Start. 1. Visit https://support.hp.com. 2. Download HP Easy Start. 3. Run the installer. Step 3. Choose wireless setup. 1. Select wireless Wi-Fi. 2. Choose your Wi-Fi network. 3. Enter Wi-Fi password. 4. Click Continue. Wait while printer connects to Wi-Fi. Step 4. Complete wireless setup. Installation finished, printer connected to Wi-Fi, print wireless test page. Wireless setup complete. How to test printer. 1. Go to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices Printers. 2. Select your HP printer. 3. Click Print Test Page, Common Problems, and QI Fix. Printer not detected? Restart printer plus computer. Wi-Fi connection failed? Use 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, not 5 GHz. Driver error? Reinstall HP Easy Start.